If you are using a brand of filament other than RoboFilament and it has a different recommended print temperature, at some point you may need to adjust your print settings to match that print temperature. Not doing so can cause printer jams and other print defects. Thankfully, it's easy to do so in either RoboCloud or in RoboPrint. Let's start with RoboCloud. Once you have loaded your model into your scene, you can go from Edit Model, your default here, into Print Settings. Notice at the bottom you have a tab for temperature, and you can change that temperature from the default of 210 to 205, 190, 230, any of the temperatures that work with your specific type of filament. Now, of course, remember that the material must be compatible with that type of 3D printer, as each of our different robo printers have different maximum temperatures that they are compatible with, and different types of filament they are compatible with. On the RoboPrint side, once you have your model loaded up and the correct printer type selected, click Start Slicing. By default, you may have something like this that is Basic Mode. And while there is an option to select from material presets here, you may not find exactly what you need from that dropdown. To fine-tune it specifically, go into Expert Mode and take a look at the extruder temperature field here. Again, you can change that to whichever value your specific type of filament needs. When you're done, click Slice, or in RoboCloud, click Print, and these will actually prep your print files so that you can send them to your Robo 3D printer. Thanks for watching.